Good day, my craft along buddies. This is Jennifer with Just Crafting Along. Welcome to my channel.
Well, good day, my craft along buddies, and welcome back. Today we're going to dive right into Diamond Press. This set is so cute. I will be going through it with you here in a second, but this set is so adorably cute. I would like you to stop, fast forward to the end, look at the card, and go buy this set. This set is totally adorable. I have not crafted with it. I've only seen the presentation from HSN. I did pick this up during the last HSN craft day, which was in March. This video is going to go out in sometime in April. I am not for sure if it will go out before April 15th, which is the next 24-hour craft day for HSN. HSN usually has their products on sale and the shipping's a little bit cheaper, but right now on their website, it's currently the beginning of April. Right now on their website, on HSN website, which is hsn.com, it is $18.95 plus $5.50 for shipping and handling. Again, if you do wait for a craft day, this will be probably on sale and shipping charges will be a little bit cheaper, most likely. So, but needless to say, you need this in your kit. You need this in your crafting family. You need this in your stash. You need this little cutie in your life right now. So let me go ahead and go through this with you real quick. It's called Perfect Pairs. The one thing I do like about Diamond Press is they do give you a full colored sheet of instructions on how to put together their dies and their stamps. So I do like that about Diamond Press. So let's go ahead and go through it. So what this is perfect pairs. What do I mean by perfect pairs? I mean egg and bacon, coffee and donuts, toast and butter, jam and peanut butter, jelly and peanut butter, coffee and milk. So I think you're getting the hint now. So we go together like eggs and bacon. We go together like coffee and donuts. So we'll flip it over here in a second. So what they do is they show you this is the die, this is the stamp, and it equals this. So if you were to stamp this, cut this out, it's gonna look like this. Same thing with the bacon. So I believe the bacon has the stripes on it because it's a stamp, and then you're gonna cut it out with your die. And then the milk, and then we have a cup of coffee, or I would assume this is gonna be coffee because it says coffee and donuts. Peanut butter, and I believe this is toast. This is gonna be your jam or jelly. This is gonna be your butter. This is gonna be your toast. This is gonna be your cookie or milk and cookies. This is gonna be your toast again. I believe this is gonna be toast or bread, so you can use it, the bread. I would assume this is bread, and this is bread, and this might be toast, or this might be toast. I would have to look at it a little bit more. They don't actually tell you which ones they are, but I'm sure we can figure it out when we start seeing the words. So let me go ahead and flip it over. You do get a really large heart. This is the stamp, this is the die, and this is what it looks like when you cut it out. We go together like plus, you're gonna add this, we go together like eggs and bacon, coffee and donuts, milk and cookies, bread and butter, peanut butter and jelly. We go together like bacon and eggs. We go together like milk and cookies. We go together like coffee and donuts. We go together like butter or bread and butter. We go together like peanut butter and jelly. The peanut butter to my jelly. I'm donuts about you. You're my jam. You're the bacon to my eggs. Together we sizzle. Better together. You're the milk to my cookies. Life is better with you to my better half. Some projects that they did do, here's your cookies, here's some little hearts that cut out. So you get a lot in this little kit. It shows you everything that you get. So let me go ahead and flip this over so you can see the sheet. I am gonna pull out the dies because the dies are relatively big. These are big dies. So here's the milk. So we'll go ahead and get our sheet out so we can go ahead and put them on here for you. So here's our hearts. The only thing that it does not have to cut out the sentiments, and that's when I have a problem. I can't layer my sentiments sometimes. So here's your die. Look how big that is. That's the size of my hand. So here's your die for your heart. Here is your, let me see what I have on here. Turn it this way. Here's your peanut butter and jam. This is your jam. This is your peanut butter. Here's your peanut butter. I'm gonna say that this is let me see, is that on here? Here's your milk. Here's your milk. I'm gonna say that this is maybe your toast up here. I would have to look at the paper to see. I'm not for sure. We don't have bread yet. So this one, I'm not for sure which one this is down here. There you go. And then here's your butter. And this is your butter, and here is your bacon. Let me grab the bacon. So here's all your dyes, and then you have, let's go ahead and get the other one out. Let me turn it over. Here's your coffee. Here is your toast. Oops, my hand stuck to it. Here is your cookie. Here is your egg. Here is your egg, and here is your donuts. Oops. We're gonna get started. I think I'm gonna do the peanut butter to my jelly. So right now I'm gonna concentrate just on the peanut butter and jelly. I'm gonna get those stamped out and colored. I like to work with a container that I know when I'm done with something, I can actually put it in there and I don't get lost on my desk or fall on the floor and get lost. So I wanna, things that I haven't used yet, I'll put here, and things I've used, I'll put up there. So what we're gonna do now is get our peanut butter out. And I thought I had it out, and now I can't find it. Did I get the peanut butter out? I did get the peanut butter out, see? This is why you have your little, oh, there he is. This is why I do a tray, because I just verified how much I like having a tray, because I just lost my peanut butter. So let me go ahead and put this on. I think that's pretty straight. So I'm gonna flip this over, and I'm gonna use the grid line. Sorry if you see my head for a sec. And that is pretty straight. I'm gonna give this one a good rub because I've not used it yet. So actually, I like going this way with it. You can kind of see where you get the ink. Especially with the little ink pads, you can kind of see really good where you can get the ink at. So I'm gonna bring this down a little bit, and I'm gonna push it right there. That was really good. So I'm not doing half bad with this little block. So today we're going to use Diamond Press markers. I did get this from HSN a while back. I have not seen it on their website in a very, very long time. So we are going to use light brown for our start of our peanut butter. All I did was use the light color here all by itself, and I kind of like the way it looked by itself without being blended. So yeah, so this is looking really nice. I'm kind of liking that color for the peanut butter. Trying to blend them all together kind of just made it look too dark. So I'm going to go ahead and let this dry a little bit. I think this is more of a peanut butter color. And all I'm going to do is go ahead and wash it out with the... And this isn't actually bleeding very bad. So I think I'm just going to keep this one right here and not use the watercolor. Let's try it. Worst we had to do is start all over, right? I think I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with a little bit of light color. Go ahead and I'm going to do the little lines. So see if we can soften this a little bit. There we go. And all we're doing is pushing that color to the side. We're kind of opening that middle. Oh, I like it. Okay. First I didn't think I was gonna like it, but it's okay. It's doing. So I'm gonna get this light brown back out, and we're just gonna go over that peanut. There we go. Okay. I like the blue. I do like the blue. So far I've used light brown, cobalt light, teal light and blue light, and then I also used all three dark color brown and a light color brown. And then for the red, I used a light red and light red, medium red, and a pink, a light pink. So there. Okay. Yes, I just use a Sharpie, a fine tip Sharpie on some of my projects. If I was doing scrapbooking, I wouldn't because I don't think it's acid free. So, but I do it on some of my work for my cards. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on our card base. And like I said, I'm gonna be doing a blue card base, an A2 card, which is a 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm gonna be doing this. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mat layer. I'm gonna leave quite a big border on my outside. I don't know if I think I wanna go this way. So I'm gonna, wish I could probably just turn it around after I cut it, huh? Cardstock is from Crafter's Companion. It's probably one of my subscription boxes. This is also Crafter's Companion Guillotine. So let's go ahead and put that there. We're gonna save this because we'll probably use it. Let me go ahead, I'm gonna go ahead and use some glue stick today. So we're just gonna take our glue stick and we're just gonna go ahead and get those edges really, really good. And I'm gonna go all the way across. Anyway, so I like glue sticks. I don't know why. I really like glue sticks. My lines I want to go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and bring this back in here because I want this to be straight. So I'm going to use the grid and I'm going to point my down and I'm going to line it up on the sides, which looks really good. You know what? Let me see if I just cut out the heart and put it on here. It will make that blue pop a little bit. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run this into my diamond press marquee. Oh, this is adorable. Oh, look how cute. So I think that just might make it stand out a little bit more. And if you have a diamond press marquee and you're like, oh my goodness, I can't get it off my table, there is a little side panel right here that you push and it releases the suction. So it's right here on the side. So we are going to go ahead and cut out our strawberry and our peanut butter. So here's that one. There we go. So there's those. Make sure this is the way we want it. And we're gonna put it right here in this corner, which I like. Make sure this is even. Let's come off just a little bit more. There we go. That's gonna go there. Okay, so we're almost done. These cards are really easy once you get yourself familiar with the product. This is my first time ever using it. Usually when I do a video, it's usually my first time ever doing anything. So if I ever seem lost or don't know what to do, it's because I'm thinking on the spot. I don't have a clue of what I'm gonna do. I make it live with you guys. So if it ever seems like, what is she doing? I'm doing it with you guys for the very first time and I'm trying to get my bearings on the products that I have. And this is turning out very, very cute. So I do apologize if it ever seems like I'm not with it or I don't know what I'm doing. I literally do this right on the spot. I don't do, and none of my projects are planned out. I usually don't know what I'm doing. I usually do it as soon as I get the product. I try to open it, see what I have, make sure all my pieces are there, and I kind of tuck it away. These are usually not taken out. When I take them out, I usually do a video. So we're almost done. I don't think I'm going to go ahead and secure it all the way down. I think I'm just going to scare these ends right here. So now we just put a little bit of tape right here on the front and bottoms. And what I'm going to try to do is have this kind of up a little bit. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to place this like almost right in the middle. I'm just going to eyeball it. I think that looks good. And what it's going to do is these ends are going to kind of come up a little bit. I kind of like them loose like that. We go together right here like this. And I'm actually going to pop this up on foam. That right there. So we are going to go ahead and I'm going to stick this down before I stick down my peanut butter and jelly. And I think I'm going to actually elevate those too. And I'm going to try to, right there. See those little points? I'm going to try to get this on that point. And all we're going to do is we're going to find a little home for our peanut butter and jelly. And I think I want to go like that. Find my middle. There. Oh, that's so cute. So I think my eyes are very happy, and I'm going to keep it just like this, and I think I'm going to add this little heart right here. And it's going to be to my husband for his birthday, and I know, hopefully, he watches my videos, but I don't know if he makes it all the way to the end. But he's going to know soon enough anyway, because his birthday's in like 10 days. I'm going to go ahead and put this right here. And I think I'm going to twist it. I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on an angle. See, I'm not going to do anything else with it. I think this is enough. I think this is very, very cute. I will add my sentiment in the inside later. But this is our finished card. I hope you like what you saw today. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and I'll see y'all soon.
Thank you for watching, my Craft Along buddies. If you loved what you saw today, please like, share, and subscribe. And as always, lots of love, and see you soon.